is Paris Johnson. I am a forensic scientist at the Michigan State Police Northfield Forensic Laboratory. I conduct analysis in the trace evidence unit. Trace evidence is divided into trace materials, fire debris and explosives, and footwear and tire tracks. Most of my day is spent in the laboratory. However, I spend time outside of the laboratory writing reports and conducting training, receiving training, and also as a member of the crime scene response team responding to crime scenes.
My name is Rebecca Smith and I work for the Michigan State Police Forensic Science Division in the Lansing Laboratory for the Firearms and Toolmark Identification Unit. Firearms and toolmark identification is determining whether a bullet or cartridge case is fired from a particular firearm by analyzing class and individual characteristics in toolmarks that are imparted during the firing process of a firearm. So I'm either analyzing evidence that's been submitted by an investigating agency or am reviewing reports of what my colleagues have done in their examinations.
My name is Sarah Rambat and I work at the Grand Rapids Laboratory, and my position is a forensic scientist in the DNA or biology unit. So my job is to do DNA analysis, and that basically means that we process samples with biological material, extract the DNA from whatever that material is, and generate a DNA profile or attempt to generate a DNA profile. And then we compare that DNA profile to reference samples or known people of interest in a case to see if that person could be a contributor to that sample. I think forensic science is reachable for anyone who's interested in science. It's just the application of science or analyzing evidence and providing data to law enforcement or to the community to make decisions.
I believe good forensic scientists need to be honest and have integrity, as well as have a lot of curiosity. I definitely would encourage others to get into the field, especially if they love science and criminal justice.
So most rewarding is when I'm able to provide information to an investigator that they didn't have initially, so it can help their investigation and either lead to exoneration or conviction of a suspect. It's really rare that we see how a case ends for us, but the few times that I have been notified by a prosecutor, it's like, oh wow, I actually helped with this, so that's really cool.